Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can instantly get verified on Instagram with the new up-and-coming Facebook and Instagram update for literally just $12.99 a month. So guys, yes, you heard it correctly. In the very near future, you are going to be able to pay Facebook and Instagram $12.99 to $14.99 a month as a membership fee like you'd pay Netflix, in order to be verified with the little blue tick next to your Instagram handle and your Facebook handle. Now, the reason why they're doing this, I'm going to jump into a Forbes article that released this information a few weeks ago, but it's been kind of rumoured and other news articles have spoken about it over the past few months, following in Twitter's footsteps with a very similar program. So, if you didn't already know, Elon Musk... well, if you didn't already know, Elon Musk took over Twitter. I'm sure you do know that. But in terms of the the changes he's made with Twitter, one of them being the $7.99 subscription service to have to be verified on Twitter. And it looks like Mark Zuckerberg's looked at that and thought, here's a nice way to make money due to how shit our ad platforms are becoming, and to try and keep profits up because their shares prices keep dropping and dropping. So I'm going to dive into this Forbes article. So, the key facts at the top of the Forbes article is, in an Instagram story on Facebook, Zuckerberg wrote that the company will roll out Meta Verified in Australia and New Zealand this week, and more countries coming soon. The program costs $11.99 a month for web use and $14.99 a month for use on iOS products. Meta Verified allows users to verify their accounts with a government ID and earn a blue badge, which the company currently only gives out to well-known individuals for free, and the subscription service will give them extra protection against impersonation accounts and direct access to customer support, Zuckerberg said. And then it goes on to the, a bit of background in terms of why they think this is happening, etc. From my opinion, why do I think this is happening? I think it's because the Facebook and Instagram platform is becoming riddled with scammers, impersonation accounts, people not using the platform in the correct way. If you actually go back to a year ago, Tom and I, in one of our very first podcast sessions, said how much of a needed change there is, more so on the ad account side of things, to kind of have a governmental verification process for all ad accounts, because you don't see the problem that Facebook and Instagram are seeing on the other advertising platforms as much. You do see it, but not as much. And what I mean by those problems are scam Facebook ad accounts that get hijacked, that get scammed, that are using really bad practices, and the amount of banned ad accounts on Facebook and Instagram are way higher than on TikTok and Snapchat and Google and YouTube. And I think through Facebook bringing in this new system, is going to solve a lot of those problems. For example, if you follow me on Instagram, you're going to see me every single week almost now posting a new scam account. And these scam accounts really do work. Like, I've been getting messages over the past more so the past 2 months, the more these scam accounts are kind of developing, and they're really working. People have messaged me saying they've been scammed. People, essentially, what happens is someone will create a fake Facebook and Instagram account. They will use a bot to completely mirror my profile. So if someone went on it, they'd see all my posts, all my reels, my exact same bio, even the link in my bio is the same to the Academy. And they'll then purchase followers on eBay or other follow and purchaser websites. So they'll get the 11,000 followers, 15,000 followers that I have, and then they'll message people saying, right, send me $200 and I'm gonna take you to 5K a month in the next 60 days. And people, because they trust me, they've been watching me on Instagram, they see this page that looks so similar and the username is just an added underscore, people send money to that account and then they immediately get blocked, and then they message me saying, Harry, I've just been scammed by an impersonator, what do I do? And I can't do anything about it, guys. I can't refund everyone who gets scammed, because I'd be bankrupt by the end of it, because everyone's continually getting scammed. So I think me being able to purchase an $11.99 verification, and so then people can understand that they're only contacting me, and the way this verification works, like it said in that Forbes article, you have to prove your government ID, essentially, the same way you have to confirm your ID with betting sites in the UK. So if you want to online gamble in the UK, I'm sure you have to do it abroad as well in the US, you have to submit your passport and driving license with a proof of address so that you can prove that you're 18 and eligible and legally can gamble online. And I'm hoping that'll be the same thing with Facebook and Instagram. And it's funny, when I go to the comment section of all these posts, especially the Forbes article that was posted, it was filled with people saying how negative this is. It's filled with people saying, right, this is just gonna, you know, people are gonna be really vain now. All the vain people are just gonna verify their accounts instantly. And to be honest, that's not bad. Like, I don't see that as a bad issue. If everyone verifies their accounts, it's gonna prevent trolls. The way Twitter works with their new verification is, if you're verified, you get ranked a lot higher. So if you're in the comment section or you're on a thread, if you're verified, you're going to appear first. And all the trolls who don't want to verify their accounts, and all the scammers who don't want to verify their accounts, they're going to go to the bottom and they're going to become unnoticed. It's going to be easier for people to just be like, right, you're not verified, you're not, you know, a real person, so I'm not going to listen to what you say. Hopefully that's what happens. In terms of, you know, real celebrities, a lot of the people that are currently verified are like, this is a terrible idea, da 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 da. That's just because their clout from their blue tick is going to go away. And a lot of people are saying, will they bring out a, you know, a purple tick for the celebrities and then just a blue tick for people that have verified their governmental ID? And when you think about it, I don't think that will happen, and the reason being, the blue tick around, you know, the blue tick originally was never brought around just to verify you're a celebrity, although it was to, you know, show you're a public figure. But the bottom line of the reason why they're verifying these public figures and celebrities wasn't so you have loads of clout. It was so people know that that's the account that they listen to, and you know, they're not being replicated by other people pretending to be them. So I think this is a really good change, guys. As it said in there, this is being rolled out in Australia and New Zealand this week. If it goes well, and I'm sure it will just be rolled out across other countries as well. So very soon, hopefully by the end of 2023, you know, should be a lot sooner, we will be able to submit our governmental IDs, our passports, our driving licenses, and get that blue check mark for your clients, for, you know, reputable public figures, your local celebrities, anyone who's being hit with scams. And even if you're just a regular person and you fancy a blue check mark, feel free to spend $11.99 and, you know, get an ego boost for a blue tick. But coming from Tom and I, we're 100% going to do it because it will hopefully stop people getting scammed. I'm obviously not going to do it in any of my accounts because I couldn't give a shit whether I'm verified or not. I only want to be verified so that people can understand when they're actually talking to me and no one else. So very interesting, you know, change of events, guys. This is all a knock-on effect of what we've been seeing over the past 2 years. iOS 14 rolls out, Facebook are in trouble, they want more money, as well as the Facebook and Instagram platforms being very heavily attacked by fraud. You know, in comparison to TikTok, YouTube, and these other advertising platforms, it's all a way to combat these problems. Like we say with everything you're seeing now is a reaction to a trigger that happened, you know, 12 to 18 months ago, and this is what we're seeing now. I personally think it's a really good change. I think it's going to help a lot of people on the platform not only deal with scammers and haters and trolls, but it's also going to solidify the platform, hopefully, into less shitty accounts, less scammers, and I'm kind of repeating myself now, but hopefully you enjoyed that video, guys. Hopefully it's something to look forward to. Hopefully you see it's a positive thing happening to the platform, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of the up-and-coming change, whether you're going to get verified. Please, please, please make sure you subscribe, because we're back posting every single day at 6 PM London time, 1 PM EST. We're changing the time slightly, but we're back posting every single day, so please make sure you subscribe. If you've not watched our previous video, it was an amazing video done by Tom, which was the 3 hottest niches in 2023 to go after, why they're the hottest 3 niches. Yeah, give it a watch if you're in the market for choosing a niche. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow at 6 PM.